5 Claude Code skills worth installing in 2026. Each one ships a visual artifact. First, Excalidraw. We ask for an architecture diagram. The agent draws boxes and arrows. We edit them by hand. Second, Data Model LM. We describe a schema in plain language. The agent writes Prisma and renders the ERD. Third, Mockup LM. We draw a UI in HTML. The agent reads the mockup and turns it into a working React component. Fourth, Planning. One markdown file holds the spec, the plan, and the tracker items. Sessions spawn from it. Fifth, Marketing Assets. The agent writes release notes, change logs, and walkthrough videos. Our team ships every week. Nimbalyst is an open-source visual workspace. Every skill on this list runs free to download.